my first ever Istobal. Undercarriage blast. So as y'all saw in the beginning of the video, this car is absolutely destroyed. Caked in mud. Absolutely terrible. Like, look, you can see some of it right here, there's some mud right there. But alright, let's see if these things can clean a awfully dirty vehicle. Including the pre-soak. Top wash was $13. So let's see what that gets us. Alright, we got triple foam. A little watery. Not on this side, only on that side. I think the blue might be out. But good coverage. Not bad, not bad. Overall, pretty decent. Here comes the top brush. Good God, that's aggressive. Jesus. Seeing it attempt to contour the hood. I actually don't know what it's doing. Pretty decently. Making very minimal contact in the back. Probably gonna leave some probably gonna leave a skunk mark, to be honest. But we'll see. See if that top brush can contour the windshield. Nope. Okay, I guess it just sits up there. Hopefully those get the front. Alright, we're making no contact. Okay, what's it gonna do next? Rinse of some kind, maybe Lustre Shield. This wash does heavily advertise Lustre. It does look like it. Yeah, that's definitely some sort of protectant. spray on the right side is spraying much better than the one on the left side. It looks like it's stuck in a downward position. Alright, we've got the Contour dryers. My first ever. Let's see how well this is drying. Pretty weak, actually. Very weak. Still plenty of water on the windshield. These things have always been so cool to me. There actually is another one in town. I think it's another Flex5, but it's brand new. I'm talking like a year or two old. This thing is flinging up soap. Oh my goodness, there's soap everywhere. Here comes the second pass. Is still a pretty decent amount of water on the car, I will admit. And it already did dry on some residue, like I guess wax. Alright, let's go take a look. Mirror's still dirty. Tires are pretty bad. Did leave a few things of soap. Still some mud. Didn't get in those crevices right there. But not too bad. Ooh, this tire is filthy. Yeesh.